Welcome to this quick morning mobility yoga practice designed to wake up your body and reduce that overnight stiffness. I'll guide you through a sequence of movements to help reintroduce motion into your joints, hydrate the connective tissue, and encourage that fascia gliding so that you can feel lighter and more mobile as you start your day. Let's begin. Come to all fours position on your hands and knees. And then as you inhale, arch the spine, lift the chin up, and exhale down the back, push the floor away with your hands, and bring the chin to your chest. And continue for a few more rounds, finding your own depth and rhythm here. Inhaling on the way up and exhaling on the way down. Two more rounds. And then return to neutral position. Step your left foot out to the side, grounding through the sole of your foot. And then as you inhale, extend the left arm up. And exhale, bring the hand behind your head. Inhale, reach the elbow high to the ceiling. And as you exhale, bring the elbow down towards your right wrist. Inhale, reach. And exhale, turn and bring the elbows down. Inhale. And exhale. Two more times. Inhale. And exhale. And last one, inhale. You can try to reach the elbow even a little bit back behind you. And exhale. Inhale, reach up. This time reach the left hand to the ceiling. And as you exhale, wrap the arm behind you and see if you can catch your right thigh. If not, you could just place the back of the hand behind your sacrum. And from this position, you can turn the head up to the ceiling or down to the floor, or maybe to the side. Just exploring what feels good for the neck. Introducing a little bit more length in all those different positions. And if one position feels better than another, then feel free to stay and breathe into that shape. And then release. Bring the right foot off the mat and step the left foot to the back of your mat. Then from here, reach the left arm up and over your head, elongating the entire left side of your body. So actively press the left foot to the floor and then reach the left hand as far away from your left foot as you can. And then as you inhale, start coming up to a kneeling position, keeping that left leg outstretched. Left hand comes to your left leg. As you inhale, extend the right arm up, and then exhale, lean to the left side and hold here. Inhale, come back through the center, and as you exhale, release back to all fours position on your hands and knees. And then step the right foot to the side. Inhale, reach the right arm up. And then exhale, right hand behind your head. Inhale, reach the elbow up. And then exhale, reach it down to your left wrist. Inhale. And exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Twice more. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, reach up, this time extending the right arm up. And as you exhale, wrap it behind your back, reaching for the left thigh behind you. And then the head can look up, or you can look down towards your hand, maybe lean the head to the left shoulder, just finding what feels best. And then letting yourself linger in that place. And then release, move the left foot off the mat for balance, and then step the right foot to the back of the mat. And then extend the right arm up and over your head. And reach as far away from your right foot as you can. Now the next inhale, come up to kneeling position, keeping the right leg outstretched. Inhale, reach the left arm up, and then exhale, lean to the right and hold. And then inhale, come back through the center. And exhale, return to all fours position on the hands and knees. And from all fours position, tuck your toes under, slowly making your way into downward facing dog. Once you're here, let yourself walk your feet a few times, finding a rhythm, a pace that works for you, that feels good. And then from downward facing, start walking the hands towards your feet. And you can keep the knees bent an amount that works for you as you bring the hands close to your feet. And from here, bring your right hand to the center. And as you inhale, extend the left arm up. And you can hold here, or if it feels good, you could try to straighten your left leg. And then release and switch hands. Left hand comes to the center, and then extend the right arm up and either just stay here or explore straightening the right leg. And then release. Start walking your hands forward to plank position. Inhale here in plank position. And then exhale, send the hips back into downward facing. Inhale, come forward to plank. And exhale into down dog. And again, inhale to plank. And exhale, downward facing. Let's do it twice more. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, shift the hips back and up. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, shift the hips back and up. Take an extra breath here. And then with the next exhale, release the knees down to the floor. Point the toes, bringing the big toes together, and then sit the hips back towards the heels for child's position. Arms outstretched to the front of the mat. And slowly from here, start walking the hands back and come to a kneeling position, sitting back on your heels. From here, inhale, extend the arms out to the sides. As you exhale, bring the right arm under the left. Bend the elbows and clasp the hands for eagle arms position. If this is too much, you could hold the opposite shoulders instead. And if you can, elevate the elbows a little bit more. Take the forearms away from your face. And breathe here. And inhale, extend the arms out to the sides. And as you exhale, let's switch. Left arm under, bend the elbows, clasp your hands, and reach the elbows a little higher and the forearms away from your nose. And breathe. And then inhale, extend the arms out to the sides. And exhale, release. Thank you very much for tuning in today. Just those few minutes of movement in the morning can make a big difference on how your body feels throughout the day. I hope you can feel it too. And remember, movement is medicine. Hope to see you in the next class.